BTC $21,600 August 26th. Good day, this is Mystic Crypto, your crypto mystic. I'm giving you some of the best level-headed market analyses on the internet by simply following the charts. You won't get a moon boy or hear bear cries here. Just a simple analysis. I've been in the crypto market since 2006. I want to bring you the market news as it comes to me without wasting your time, so you can spend time with your family and not stress over the small swings of the market. Everything in this world has a rhythm, so if the current is overly bearish, just wait your turn and the pendulum will swing the other way. Patience is the name of the game. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but together we can navigate through this mystical crypto market. Let's dive in. 1. DXY. Yesterday I said that DXY looks like it's resting a little bit, allowing the RSI to reset before making another move, and that's what it's doing, allowing the risk assets such as BTC to rise. The price structure still looks like it could be forming a bull flag, and the RSI is still within the bullish range daily. The price came down to touch the MA8, and is now bouncing up. It is still well above the green trend line in all time frames. As for the weekly, I mentioned yesterday that the price hit the top of the Bollinger Band, so expect the price to come down slightly. I said we could see the price move down to retest the green trend line and still remain bullish as long as it doesn't break below. This is all going as expected. It has been within this RSI channel moving up since the beginning of 2021 and has been bullish ever since. If we fall below the RSI trend line, or break below the middle white Bollinger Band, that would be bearish for DXY and bullish for other risk assets such as BTC, so let's keep an eye on that. But for now, it is still strong, so we will remain bullish on the DXY. What worries me about the DXY is the monthly is well overextended on both RSI and Bollinger Band. It takes time to completely show in the price, but if DXY doesn't give some breathing room for the RSI to reset, then the price will drop fast. 2. US 100 chart. I mentioned yesterday that the Nasdaq broke through the middle Bollinger Band and broke, and it would likely be retesting the yellow trend line, and I expect it to fall below. We are now testing it. If it breaks above the trend line, then I expect at some point it hit the daily 200, which would help get BTC to rally up to the 22,500 to 23,000 range. The daily RSI trend line was broken and still has room to go lower, but it was a sharp break, so a bounce makes sense. If it breaks above, then I will expect the price to rise. The weekly price is above the weekly MA8 for now, but went below it briefly earlier this week. This is good news for risk assets. The price is riding right on the yellow price trend line. The monthly price also looks good for the risk assets in the short term, as it hit the bottom of the lower Bollinger Band in June and has been showing some strength since. We'll watch to see if it gets above and stays above the monthly MA8. If it does, it's very good for BTC. Before we get into the BTC charts, don't be a simp, make sure to subscribe, like and share the videos, helps a lot. It helps the channel to grow, which in turn helps to give other people this useful level-headed information. 3. BTC. Remember, I've been mentioning for a while now, that we are within the same channel since June 18th, when we hit our 17.5k lows. We are finally inside of the line instead of riding the green trend line as we had been all week, but we are forming a bear flag on the daily. But since we broke above, if it stays above and closes above 21,700 to 21,900, that's when I may go long, because I would expect the 22.5 to 22.9k range that I've been talking about. If it doesn't break above, it will fall and break below, going to 18k range. This rebound that we've had has been kind of weak so far, but we are waiting for end of the week. Possibly today we will have a big move. I am expecting a move to the 22.5 to 22.9k range first before coming back down. Daily, At the moment we did hit the daily MA8, which has been revealing a little bit of weakness in the price action. As we are below it and back on the green trend line. Daily is still forming a bear flag. Weekly is still in a downtrend bear market. Showing a bear flag. So be cautious, and patient. Remember, the name of the game is patience. Fade every pump, unless we get above 28k, nothing has changed. We have been in this same channel since our lows of 17.5k. The weekly RSI has been respecting this trend line since November 2021, and until it goes above, the trend is bearish, and I will remain bearish until the price goes above the RSI trend line or the white trend line on the price chart, which currently sits around 28k. Because of this, as a trader, I am looking for moments to fade any pump. To me, it looks like we did hit our top at 25k, so I will be looking to short at the 22.5-23k level. The price chart has a lot of room for move up for both RSI, and price is well below the MA8. Monthly is forming a bear flag but is still immature, and it did hit the lower range of the Bollinger Band, so there's a chance that it can make this move up. We have been getting as low as the 20,700 range this week, but it's been holding. If we do not get above and stay above 21,700 soon by end of the week, then I'm expecting us to break below the 20,700 range, which would be a good place to short, and it would then retest the last lows of around 18k. If we do break above 21,700, then I see BTC getting to that 22,500 to 23,000 range. So let's wait and be patient. Wait for RSI to get above and stay above these trend lines before making the next move, or if it gets down to the 20,800 to 20,900 range. What coins am I in? Still in little spot BTC, ETH, and ADA. I will sell and short after 22,500 range. All of the alts follow BTC, so I'm not covering those for now. Unless I start getting requests, but I do follow a lot of other coins such as OMI, Link, DOT, Elrond, Solana, BNB, and XRP. Conclusion: late August is not the best to trade. Be patient, but on alert. Control your emotions and don't listen to moon boys, and don't be led by fear. Look at the charts and look at the big picture, you will be fine. Enjoy your summer and spend time with your family. We'll see you tomorrow.